when I interpret that specific message, I'm of the opinion that how can you be lost if you know exactly where to go? Regardless of whichever road you take, you will know how to get home. And by the time when that one got home, and the other one says, but Father, you didn't make a plan for me. How come? And that is where the problem comes in. Now, God speaks in many languages. If you see, God doesn't only speak through words. Like, He doesn't verbally. When you hear Him, it's not somebody that will speak clearly like me now. Sometimes He speaks through visions. A vision in the night.